It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something? We just vibing, we just crazy, baby.
Welcome back, you guys, to another Clean With Me video. In this video, I'm hating, like, I don't even like to use the word hate, guys, but I quite frankly am not liking this lighting. I'm gonna wash my hands because I just did my hair. So if you're wondering why does she look like Kodak Black, the answer is I just did my hair. I Bantu knotted my hair. If you didn't catch the videos, make sure you catch the videos. But I Bantu knotted my hair just as preparation for tomorrow. Before I get everything, this is my coffee cup. I have other mugs, but this one's just been the mug I've been using on a daily. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fix me some coffee. Any day now. So I'm going to be doing a Clean With Me video, so I guess I can start kind of like clearing out this kitchen and putting, things to the side. I'm not going to sweep and mop tonight like I usually do in my Clean With Me videos, simply because I do have a trash bag that has to go out to the trash. And this trash bag is apparently leaking something because it's something on the floor. So let's find out. There's potentially a hole in this bag. Yeah, there's like a hole because I see a mini leak. So I need to double bag this. So yeah, I guess this is low-key my night routine. I have dishes in the sink, which while this is brewing, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start setting the soap sink up and rinsing off some of my dishes. In the video, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. I have washed all of my dishes, as you guys can see. All of these are stacked high. I had cooked so much this week. I have all my mason jars in here from when I drink my apple cider vinegar and I drink my water. I have silverware. I have like multiple pans and pots and everything like that. Your girl has been cooking, okay? Your girl has been cooking, so don't be mad because I'm in the kitchen, sis. You don't have to be mad. There's enough room for all of us to be able to cook. So yeah, so these are basically the dishes. Everything is going to stay in the sink. I'm not going to hand dry any of these. There's no reason. I'm actually going to let them air dry. And then tomorrow, I still left this sink open just in case, you know, there's any situation of needing to pour out a beverage, rinse out anything, clean new dishes. These are going to just be like on their own situation, air drying. And then tomorrow, once they're completely dry overnight, then I will go ahead and put them up. But if you guys enjoyed this video of cleaning with me, then make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And oh, this is going to keep me up. This little joker right here is going to keep me up all night. So if you guys like this video, thank you so much. I'll see all of you beautiful people in the next video.
It's only 11 something.